Hey guys, Steven here again. So today we are working on a 1988 Ford F250 7.3 liter IDI, and was looking for a couple videos to find where the glow plugs are, but can't find a video that shows where the glow plugs are to replace on this engine. So if this video helps, like it, subscribe it, leave a comment, thumbs up. I really appreciate it. But just going through a couple things, a lot of people will say remove the valve cover gasket, which we did, couldn't find anything, which we're going to clean all this up, and he's going to repaint the valve covers while we have them off. But if you actually look from the front of the engine, go either over to the right or to the left. I'm going to show you here in just a second where we're going. This little wire right here did have a boot on it. As you can see, it kind of deteriorated, so it's either going to get a new boot or new wires, probably new wires, because it's just terrible. And if you look down there, there's your glow plug. So long 10mm socket, should be able to back them all out. So you got that one there and that one there. We're gonna take the air cleaner off to get to that one, and then look over to the other side, there's your other one. So we'll go over and just walk on through all the way back. And again, if this video helps with your location or your glow plugs, like, subscribe, comment, and thanks for viewing.